Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. Today's topic is this: lessons from the gurus, or rather, how do you become an expert in the stock market? Lessons from the gurus. To become an expert in the stock market is very simple. Learn from the gurus. I'm serializing the book by Alice Schroeder. Alice Schroeder wrote a book about Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is a stock market researcher and investor. He's rather a stock market investor in the United States of America. He is among the top 5 richest men in the planet. How did Warren Buffett become good and exemplary good in the stock market? Warren Buffett learned from the gurus. There were gurus in his time, and the gurus in his time were Benjamin Graham. Benjamin Graham wrote a book, The Intelligent Investor. So Warren Buffett learned a lot from the gurus of his time. And he also learned from his father, Howard Buffett, who was also a stock market investor. And he also learned from another man that is rarely mentioned. And today I want to tell you the name of that man. The name of that man is Sidney Weinberg. So from these 3 people, Warren Buffett learned a lot. He learned the art of investing, buying companies, buying shares, selling, like that. So for you to be good in the stock market, you also need to learn from gurus. I am one of those people who are trying to be gurus in the stock market, who are trying to be good in the stock market, to be extremely good in the stock market so that we all become rich, we all invest, we all grow our money, and we all become rich in the stock market. And so I urge you to start looking for gurus and learn from gurus. It's only by learning from gurus that you become better and better and better and better in the stock market. And this is what Warren Buffett learned at a very young age. He learned that these gurus had mastered the art of making money, and they would make rivers and rivers of money, torrents of money, floodgates of money. And he learned that if he could make this money, then he would not even look for a job. He would do whatever he wanted to do with his life, and he could buy anything that he wanted to buy. This is what he says. Depression, to justify the expense that must mean that while most of the country was still mired in depression, there was a man who was smoking cigar, and cigar is one of the most expensive cigarettes. So this man who was smoking cigar, he kind of thought that if you can smoke cigar, the most expensive cigarette, and other people don't even have food to eat, then you must be making a lot of money. And he figured that the man's employer, the cigar man's employer, was making a great deal of money to hire such a man. He grasped it right away. The stock exchange must pour forth tons of money, must pour forth streams of money, rivers, fountain, cascades of money, torrents of money, enough to hire a man like that. So ladies and gentlemen, the only way to grow money and get rich is not by banking it, put it in the banks, is not by buying insurance policies, is not by putting it in the money market, is not by buying treasury bills and bonds, is by investing in the stock market. That is where there are torrents of money, according to Warren Buffett. His story is told by Alice Schroeder. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are new to this group, if you are new to this channel, join our Telegram group. That's why we discuss the stock market 24/7. If you're new here, subscribe. Share this video with your friends. If you want torrents of money, if you want mountains of money, rivers of money, together, let's invest in the stock market. Together, let's grow rich in the stock market. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.